Texas Tribune reported back in July he is not fond of the presumptive Republican nominee's plan to build a wall along U.S.-Mexico. An exchange posted with Snapchat's somebody on the social networks. That's where Rick Perry went, on a Snapchat radio show. He wouldn't come on this show. Wouldn't come on this show for years.
Dude.
Well, he's now National Security Advisor.
Just fucking ran away.
He said, no, I'm for Donald Trump, and he says we're going to build a wall. He never came back. He took a one-way trip. Took a one-way trip to southern Texas to the border. He never came back. And that's it. That's the good thing. They should jam it through like the left is jamming things through our whole life.
GT for 576. Hops in the third lane, 4 GT.